If you have spent some time on Instagram, you'll be aware that the Instagram algorithm has a mind of its own, and figuring out how to beat the Instagram algorithm every time there's an update could be time consuming. But as soon as you understand how the Instagram algorithm really works, then it is possible to tailor your content plan to work together with it. The Instagram algorithm was introduced to help showcase the very best, most relevant content to every user whenever they check their Instagram feed. Many people are seeking to know how exactly does Instagram determines which content matches the criteria for more engagement. What metrics do we use to measure our achievement when seeking to beat the 2021 Instagram algorithm? It turns up that the trick to growing your Instagram account lies in knowing the fundamental principles behind what the Instagram algorithm does and how it selects the content to show users. When you understand the principles behind the way the algorithm works, you can easily fine tune your Instagram plan to work together with the algorithm. In this informative video, I will explain the various factors that affect the Instagram algorithm, and also I will discuss strategies for increasing your chances of getting your post viral using my pro tips. Are you prepared to beat the Instagram algorithm in 2021? But firstly, you need to know these facts below. Fact number one, the new Instagram algorithm tracks your interaction. Have you ever noticed that if you like a particular kind of post on Instagram, you appear to see more similar posts? That is because the Instagram algorithm tracks how and what you interacted with and predicts that is the type of content you care about and the type of content you see later on. Fact number two, the Instagram algorithm tracks your engagement with your followers. If you comment or are tagged in somebody's post oftentimes, then there's a greater chance you are going to be in that person's friendship class. What exactly does that imply? This means you are telling the Instagram algorithm that that individual is a friend and I wish to see more of their content on my feed. Fact number three, the Instagram algorithm tracks your usage to show new content. If you spend a great deal of time on Instagram, you are likely to see more posts. The longer time you spend on Instagram, the more Instagram will show you new content. The same goes for your followers. Fact number four, the Instagram algorithm tracks time. Instagram's algorithm cares about what time you submitted a post because it always wants to serve the newest, most interesting content to your followers as soon as possible. Pro tips and tricks beating the new Instagram algorithm. Pro tip number one, create a hashtag strategy. Most Instagram users use the search feature and also follow hashtags. So adding hashtag on every post raises your chances of reaching a broader audience, thus making it super easy for the Instagram algorithm to monitor your hashtag and increase your engagement. Pro tip number two, utilize Instagram story stickers. Using Instagram stickers attracts user engagement. The more engagement your content receives, the higher they will be boosted by the Instagram algorithm. The polls and emoji stickers are an easy way for viral engagement. This tricks attracts the Instagram algorithm when you regularly use Instagram stickers to engage your audience. Pro tip number three, cross-promote your own Instagram content. This engagement helps to enhance your algorithm ranking. Cross-promoting your own Instagram content is key since we have various options for making your posts using Instagram Stories, IGTV, and Instagram Reels. Post more of Instagram Reels. There's a high engagement rate from posting Reels video. With the introduction of Instagram Reels, posting videos is simpler than ever. Pro tips number four, utilize killer captions. The Instagram algorithm boosts content with attractive captions. Engagement promotes interaction as well as also the ideal method to initiate a conversation with your audience. Composing a killer Instagram caption is equally as critical as posting content that is great. Captions are able to allow you to drive more engagement on your content, which brings about comments and likes. Pro tips number 5: you need to reply to your comments and DMs. If you want to win the battle against the Instagram algorithm, then you must engage with your followers. The Instagram algorithm loves to show the most engaging content. You ought to be on the lookout for the very best method to interact with your followers. Respond to all those DMs you keep ignoring. This trick shows the engagement you have with your followers. And you know the Instagram algorithm tracks everything. So engaging is key to beating the Instagram algorithm in 2021. Pro tips number 6: utilize Instagram analytics. Monitoring and tracking the way your content is performing on Instagram is among the most dependable methods to beat the Instagram algorithm. With this information, we can start to reverse engineer exactly what your audience is probably to engage with and come up with a better strategy to get the maximum engagement from Instagram's algorithm. Whatever tips and tricks you choose to focus on to improve your algorithm ranking in 2021, the most crucial thing is to keep engaging with your followers. That should be the push for your strategy. The new Instagram algorithm compels you to be authentic, fun, and interesting. In a short while, you will realize that the Instagram algorithm is working for you. Now that you understand what to do, it's up to you to implement these pro tips and tricks. Get started now.